Hey guys, Waylon here with Flooring Shark. I'd like to talk today about what we mean by giving you the campaigns and everything that you need to support them. So inside of Flooring Shark, you're going to find that we have tons and tons of templates and funnels and things for you. So this is an example of just one funnel. This funnel in particular is designed to get homeowner leads to book an estimate where you bring the showroom to them. You show up with samples, you let them look at what they look like next to this wall, next to that wall, next to those cabinets, next to these cabinets, under this lighting, under that lighting, and basically provide tons and tons of value while you measure the perimeter and get them an exact quote on what their project might cost. So that's the purpose of this funnel. And as you can see, we have these a super simple, straightforward process here to go through opting in on this. And to support this, we have your ad graphics that you're going to need. We have your flooring door hangers here. So when you do one job, you can go to the house to the left, the house to the right, the house across the street, and turn one job into three. And then we have your business cards. We have a couple of different templates for this particular funnel that you can use. And these you can leave at gas stations, barbershops, etc. And you can use a QR code that lets you know, hey, that lead that I just got came from a business card. It's making money. Let me go order some more of those, or not. And so you can actually see the insights there. And in addition to that, you're also going to get all of the automations that you need to make sure that when you turn ads on and you have lead flow, you don't have a leak. Every time somebody opts into your funnel, they need to be touched multiple times to make sure that they actually book their estimate. When they book their estimate, they need to be touched a couple of times to make sure that they are indeed confirmed. They are good to be there on time, ready to let you in and actually take the estimate call and all of that good stuff. So we have multiple automations in place that are going to handle all of this on autopilot for you. And this is just one funnel example. We have more coming and can't wait to show you all about it.